When people work together to solve problems and make decisions, amazing things happen. And with the right partner and tools, coming together can happen, well, everywhere. Red Pepper Virtual Workshops. Today, time zones, distractions, and technology challenges can make collaboration more difficult than ever. Our proven workshop methodology, paired with the latest technology and tailored for remote attendance, can keep your team a team. Everyone is engaged, building on shared ideas, bringing their best thinking forward. Expert facilitators make sure everyone is heard, every idea explored, and we even take a moment to celebrate time well spent. Red Pepper remote workshops can help your team stay connected, solve big problems, and keep you moving forward, even when we're all staying put.